amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my video once again. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to be trying something new, like a new product. This is wax from Tress Wellness. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to unbox it, review it, demo it with you guys. So if something that you are interested in, please keep on watching. So this is how they send me the product. So let's go ahead right now and open it and see how the product is. Okay guys, so this is how the package is. Very nice guys, and there's everything you need for waxing. Okay, that is the first thing you have to see when you open it. So let's go ahead and then open. If you open it, this is how it's gonna look, and we have different types of wax beans. So the first one here is peppermint, and then we have lemon, and here is a tea tree, and this is the blue one, and the next one is lavender. We have this popsicle stick. I think we have different types. Okay, this is the smaller one. This is definitely gonna be for the eyebrow and like the tight corners, yeah. And then this is the big one. In there you're gonna see this. This is pre and after wax spray. And then here is the main machine. Here is the instruction. And then what is this? So we're going to figure this out. Okay, I don't really know what this is for. This is the topper for the pre and after wax spray. So this is how the machine is. The first one we are going to be trying on is the tea tree. According to the instruction, pour the wax into the wax warmer and allow the bead to melt until it is consistency of honey. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to be doing. So I've just poured the half of it because this is the try on. So you go ahead and cover it, and then we on it. This is after 5 minutes. We are going to go ahead right now, open it and see how the bees are doing. And I believe that all the bees are melted. I think the consistency is okay right now. I have turned it off. We are going to wait until we get to the, like, it will become warm, not hot and not cold, okay, according to the instruction, because this is my very first time of trying such. So while we are waiting for our wax to cool down, I'm going to go ahead and spray this pre-wax spray and get my armpit ready. I purposely leave my armpit for this test. So almost like 1 week now, I did not shave. So I'm going to use this cotton pad to clean it. I later figure out like what this is all about. This is almost like 5 pieces in there. So you're going to use it, you know, to place it here so that when you are taking the wax, it's not gonna mess up the machine. Okay, it's gonna prevent any messy around the machine. Yeah, I think this is a very good idea. So right now, let's go ahead and start the process. So it's warm now, it's not hot, it's not cold. I have gotten like the temperature that is suitable for my skin, and then I'm going to go ahead right now and take a reasonable amount and place it under my arm. think it's ready for me to pull out. So right now I'm going to be pulling from upward. Oh God. Oh my God, guys, see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply more. So guys, this is the second time. So we're going to pull it out again and see if it's going to clear all the hair. Oh God. Oh God. Okay. Oh God, guys, look. This is the first one and this is the second one. As you can see, there is no more hair there except here because of my clothes. So definitely I'm going to be doing some hair and clear it out as well as here. As you can see the difference, guys. Okay, so let me go ahead now and do this part and I will be right back. So guys, I'm done with this side and as well as this side. So this is the final look. Like honestly, it really remove all the hair here. As you can see, here is a little bit dark here because of, you know, the shaving and all that. Okay, which I believe that waxing is more better than shaving. So right now I'm going to go ahead and apply this after wax spray. And then I use this thing to rub it. So. Yes, we are done. This is my final honest review about this product. Just as it stated here that this is everything you need for waxing, especially at home. Okay, and I believe that everything that you need for waxing is included in this package. So then again, just as I said that this is my first time of waxing, I was expecting that someone need to help me to pull it out, but I didn't even know where I got the courage, you know, to pull it out by myself. And I'm so proud of myself, honestly. So at that moment it hurts when you are pulling it out, but at least after a few minutes the pain will go away. And then if your body, or I don't know where you're going to apply it, it will definitely change color, a little bit reddish. But at the end of the day, just as I said, the pain went away, my natural color comes back again. So you're going to experience like reddish after you pull it out. Yes, another thing I didn't like about the wax is that when the wax beads melted, when I finished applying it on my underarm, this one here, so I tried to apply it here, but before I get there, it's kind of hardened. The wax beads starts hardened, and then I need to melt it again. That is only negative, you know, experience I had. So other than that, for me, the product is amazing. I can do my waxing at home without going out there spending a lot of money. And another thing about this product is very, very inexpensive. Like the product is not expensive at all, honestly. If you are interested, I'm going to leave their website in the description box, as well as their app, which is Wax Pal. I just downloaded it and I find it so helpful as well. So definitely go ahead and download their app and get all the information that you need. And thank you so much, Tress Wellness, for sending this product to me for review. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone for watching. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye for now. Bye.